Last period we discussed about internal structures of the earth. Our new topic, the dynamic earth, the interior of the earth. Dynamic earth. In this topic, we studied internal structures of the earth. What is internal structures of the earth? Internal structures of the earth. In 8th, 9th, 10th, you studied in geography पृथ्वीचे अंतरंग व बहिरंग. That is called internal structures of the earth. This is earth. These parts are called as the outer layer of the earth 4,500 million years ago. Earth formed. The outer structures of the earth are called as crust. Then below this part, mantle, and central parts of the earth are called as core. These are the structures. You see this figure. Outer parts of the earth are called as crust. In between core and crust, mantles are present, and central parts of the earth are called as core. All of you understand? Yes. What is crust? Definition of crust. It is outer parts of the earth. Outermost layer of earth is main source of the earthquakes. Various types of subparts present in crust, that is lithosphere. Thickness of crust is 10 km. Thickness of त्याची जाडी ही किती असते 10 किलोमीटर्स, म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात आलेलं असेल. अँड देन नेक्स्ट पार्ट, मेंटल. What is mantle? In between core and crust. In between core and crust, those parts present are called as mantle. The mantle, thickness of mantle is 2,900 kilometers. In mantle, the definition of mantle: in between crust and core are called as mantle. Thickness of mantle is 2,900 kilometers. All of you understand these two parts of the earth. And then important parts of the earth is central parts. The mantle, two types of mantles present. Number one is upper mantle and lower mantle. What is upper mantle and what is lower mantle? In upper mantle, various types of gases present, and upper mantle, types of solids present. These are the two different things. All of you understand what is the definition of crust? It is outer parts of the earth. Then mantle, upper mantle and lower mantle. And now the important parts of earth is core. Definition of core. The central parts, it is central parts of the earth are called as core. In this core, two parts present. Number one, inner core, and number two, outer core. What is inner core? Inner core is central parts. Core is divided into two parts, inner cores and outer cores. Compounds making the inner. Various types of compounds present in inner core. Inner core Fe, Ni. These are the ores present in inner cores. And outer cores, various types of plate present. The outer core's thickness is 2200 kilometers. These are the three parts present internal structures of the earth. Outer cores means it is very important parts. Outer core. In between outer core and mantle, Sial and Cyma present. Sial and Cyma. What is Sial? Sial means aluminium silicates present. Lava comes over the surface. Sial means aluminium silicate and Cyma means magnesium silicate. And various types of boundaries present. Inner core is important parts, outer cores is important parts. Sial and Cyma. It is two silicates present. Hence, in central cores, in crust, mantle and core, in between this Sial and Cyma is important. All of you understand? These structures present in internal structures of the earth. Simply, it is crust, mantle and core. These are the parts present of internal structures. तुम्हाला ही फिगर लक्षात ठेवावी लागणार आहे. या फिगर्समध्ये तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की मध्य भागाला आपण काय म्हणतो गाभा, वरच्या भागाला आपण काय म्हणतो क्रस्ट, आणि इन बिटवीन कोर अँड क्रस्ट, crust, mantle and core. All of you understand this? Now we studied various parts, boundaries between inner core and outer core, named to lithosphere discontinuity, and after discontinuity by the basis of seismogram and leg Labmans. Just you have to observe the figure and you decide various types: lithosphere, sphere, mesosphere, and discontinuity. Three types of discontinuity present: Moore discontinuity, Gutenberg discontinuity, and Lehman discontinuity. What is Gutenberg discontinuity? Upper portions present are called as Gutenberg discontinuity, and middle portions present are called as Gutenberg discontinuity, and upper portions present discontinuity called as Mohs discontinuity, and below the Gutenberg discontinuity, Lehman's discontinuity present. In PDF file, we provide all these types of notes, figures. आपण हे सगळं इथं बोर्ड छोटा असल्या कारणामुळं आपण ह्या सगळ्या फिगर्स आणि मोज डिस्कंटिन्युटी, गटनबर्ग डिस्कंटिन्युटी आणि लेहमन डिस्कंटिन्युटी हे आपण सगळ्या फिगर्स त्याच्यामध्ये आपण काढून देतोय. त्याच्यामध्ये व्हेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ प्लेट्स प्रेझेंट, प्लेट टेक्टॉनिक्स प्रेझेंट, प्लेट बॉडीज प्रेझेंट. व्हॉट इज दॅट बॉडीज? दॅट बॉडीज आर lithosphere, mesosphere, barysphere. These are the three bodies present in discontinuities in interior of the earth. तुम्ही ढोबळमानानं इंटेरियर स्ट्रक्चरचा जर अभ्यास जर केला तर त्यामध्ये लिथोस्फियर, मेसोस्फियर ह्या ज्या बॉडीज प्रेझेंट असतात याच्यावर सुद्धा बरंचसं डिपेंड असते. बेरिस्फियर, boundaries between inner core and outer cores named as Lehman's discontinuity. What is Lehman's discontinuity? Lehman's discontinuity is present in internal structures of the earth. It is parts, it is bodies present of internal structures of the earth. All of you understand what is internal structures of the earth? Next we see plate tectonics. Plate tectonic. Sometimes तुम्हाला अर्थक्वेक्स कसा होतो आपण पाहतो की ज्या ठिकाणी की पृथ्वीचा पातळ लेयर्स, रॉक्स पातळ ज्या ठिकाणी झालेला आहे आणि तो प्रेझेंट जर असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी various types of plates move to each other and energy stored, and that energy comes over the surface and crumbling and spinning. That process, plate tectonic, non-plate tectonics, plate boundaries, coverage plate tectonics, and transform fault boundaries. Like the structures present in central parts of the earth, energy storage and they comes out. जिथं पातळ लेअर असते त्या ठिकाणून ती एनर्जी बाहेर येण्याचा प्रयत्न करते अँड ट्रिमलिंग त्या ठिकाणी हादरते. दॅट पोझिशन्स आर कॉल्ड ॲज अर्थक्वेक्स. म्हणजे अर्थक्वेक कसा होतो, का होतो हे आपण त्या टॉपिक्समध्ये गेल्यानंतर पाहणार आहोत. पण इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर्स, पृथ्वीच्या पोटामध्ये काय काय आहे? कोर आहे, सेंट्रल पार्ट्स ऑफ द अर्थ, इन बिटवीन आउटर पार्ट्स कॉल्ड ॲज क्रस्ट, इन बिटवीन कोर अँड क्रस्ट मेंटल आहे, in between mental Sial and Saima, various types of ores present. Sial, some cords present, some ores present. Then outer layer, crust, various type uplifted parts. Lava comes over the surface and spread out. At that time, some elevated portions present. That elevated portions are called as mountains. Then types of mountains and definition of mountain. What is definition of mountains? Mountains. Uplifted folding deformation. Uplifted folding deformation. Present when upper surface or present in igneous rocks are called as mountains. Then types of mountains. All of you understand deftly what is internal structures of the earth. Outermost parts are called as crust. In between, core and crust, mantle, and central parts of the earth are called as core. Just you learn these three words: crust, mantle and core. हे तीन तुम्ही लक्षात जर ठेवले तर तुम्हाला इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ द अर्थ आणि परीक्षेमध्ये 3 मार्कासाठी इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ द अर्थ हे विचारले जाते. Write a short notes on internal structures of the earth. At that time, you have to write down definition of crust, definition of mantle, definition of core, and you have to draw the figure. This figure, only simple figure. Just you have to round. Then central parts of the earth, crust, name. In dynamic geology, we observe, lastly, we've seen the definition of mountains, then types of mountains, various types of mountains. Types of mountains. We observe definition of mountains: uplifted parts of the earth crust or upper crust present or igneous rocks present. That is called as the definition of mountain. Then types of mountains. First types: fold mountains. Second type: fault block mountains. Third types: volcanic mountains. And fourth types: relief mountains. We study it step by step. What is fold mountains? Wavy undulation pattern present in the earth's surface or wave-like structures present in the upper portion in crust. Like these structures present, that structures are called as fold mountains. The definition of mountains is uplifted parts, wave-like structures present. That types of structures are called as fold mountains. Then fault or block mountains. Displacements of the two blocks. One block's up movement, foot blocks down movements, like these structures present or like these mountains presents are called as fault or block mountains. Various types of blocks present. And then volcanic mountains. Lava comes over the surface and spread out. And uplifted portions, igneous rocks present. That types of mountains are called as volcanic mountains. And then relief mountains. In these relief mountains, plain surface present are called as relief mountains. All of you understand these 4 types of mountains present. Fold mountains. This is simple definition. Wave-like structures present are called as fold mountains. Various types of blocks, up movement, displacements present are called as fault block mountains. Volcanic mountains, lava comes over the surface and volcanic material to eject surface, some gaseous material, some solid materials, that is called volcanic mountains. And relief mountains, plain surface, are called as relief mountains. All of you understand the dynamic earth and internal structures of the earth. core, crust and mantle. Tomorrow we discuss about next period. Thank you.